Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel where we help you find the perfect laptop for your creative needs. Today we'll be looking at the top 5 laptops that are perfect for running Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. These two programs require a lot of power and resources, so it's important to invest in a laptop that can handle their demands. Before starting our video, links are given in the description and you can buy your favorite laptop right now. Let's start our video. Starting off our list, we have the MSI Stealth /16 Studio A13 VG. This laptop is the epitome of power and performance. It comes with an Intel i7 processor, 32GB of RAM, a massive 2TB SSD, and an RTX 4070 graphics card. This laptop is an absolute beast when it comes to running Illustrator and Photoshop. The 16-inch display has a resolution of 2560 by 1600, making it perfect for detailed work. Plus, it comes in a sleek blue finish that's sure to turn heads. Up next, we have the Razer Blade Pro. This laptop is perfect for graphic designers and digital artists who need a laptop that can handle intensive tasks. It comes with an Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and a powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 graphics card. The 17.3-inch 4K display is perfect for color-critical work and has a resolution of 3840 by 2160. So if you are looking for a heavy specs laptop, then this is the best option for you. The MacBook Pro is a popular choice among designers and artists. It's sleek, powerful, and has a beautiful display. The 16-inch Retina display has a resolution of 3072 by 1920, making it perfect for detailed work. It comes with an Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. The MacBook Pro also has a dedicated AMD Radeon Pro 5300M graphics card, making it perfect for running Illustrator and Photoshop. The HP Pavilion is a great budget-friendly option for those who need a laptop that can handle Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. It comes with an Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. The 17.3-inch display has a resolution of 1920 by 1080, making it great for both Illustrator and Photoshop. Last but not least, we have the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo UX581. This laptop is perfect for those who need a secondary display for their work. It comes with a main 15.6-inch 4K UHD Nano Edge touch display, as well as a secondary 14-inch 4K UHD ScreenPad Plus. The laptop is powered by an Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card. The ZenBook Pro Duo is a powerhouse when it comes to running Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. So that's it guys, these are our top 5 laptops for running Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Whether you're a graphic designer, digital artist, or just someone who needs a laptop that can handle intensive tasks, these laptops are sure to meet your needs. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more laptop recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.